In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report from Salesforce efficiently and correctly. This step-by-step guide will ensure you can easily access your Salesforce data outside of the platform for analysis or sharing. First, you need to begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Enter your credentials as you ordinarily would to access your dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself again with the layout, making sure everything looks as expected. This is your main hub for navigating Salesforce, and being comfortable here ensures you can find what you need efficiently. Now direct your attention to the application launcher, often referred to as the app launcher. It typically contains a grid of 9 dots or a similar icon. Click on it to open a menu with various available tools and apps. Among these, locate the Reports tab. This is where all your report-related actions take place. Click on it to proceed. After entering the Reports tab, find the specific report you want to export. If you have multiple reports, take your time to identify the correct one. Once you find it, click on it to open it. Before you move forward, it's crucial to run the report. Simply look for the button or link that allows you to run it. By doing so, you ensure your data is the most current and reflects any recent updates or changes. This will save you from exporting outdated information, which is pivotal for accuracy. With the report run and everything looking good, look towards the upper right corner of the report interface. There, you should see a down arrow or perhaps a download icon, which signifies the export functionality. Click that icon to reveal the export options. You're now met with a couple of choices regarding how you'd like to export your report data. The first option is the formatted report. This option is great if you need the data to appear as it does within Salesforce, complete with headers and any groupings you set up. On the other hand, if you need the data purely for calculations or further data manipulation, the details-only option might better suit your needs. This exports each record without additional formatting, providing a more raw data file. Once you have decided which format best suits your needs, you'll need to select the file type. For most, the Excel format, specifically Excel, .xlsx, is ideal as it supports a wide range of features and is universally compatible with spreadsheet applications. After selecting your desired format, simply click Export. Finally, the system will prompt you to save the file. Choose a location on your computer that you'll easily remember, and perhaps rename the file if that helps with organization. Save the file, and you're done. You now have an exported Salesforce report ready for any further handling you may need.